Hi beauties, it's me Evie and Happy New Year. It technically isn't New Year yet, but when you see this, it'll be New Year's. And 2024, welcome. I can't say that I am going to be sad for 23 to be in the past. We're just not going to dwell on it. We're just going to move on and pretend it wasn't existing. How's that? So it's Ipsy time, and let's just jump into it. The bag is super cute. It's like a sequin on fuzzy material, and it has the little Ipsy pull tab, and you know the drill. It is 5 deluxe size samples. There. And inside the bag, it's all pink and cute. So January 2024, our Ipsy is Glow Your Soul. Nourish your skin, play with color, practice kindness to yourself and others, and make sure to feel pampered every day. Because the path to getting that glow, both inside and out, starts now. And I could not agree more. So you already know that the Glam Bag from Ipsy has 5 deluxe size samples, and it's up to a $70 value for just $14 a month. So the first thing we have is the Arisa. Y'all know that I cannot pronounce half the names. Uh-oh, I might need scissors. No. So the Arisa Beauty Sun-Kissed Baked Highlighter. Let's get into the box. And it is going to be a gold highlight. And they wanted to make sure that this was well packaged. It's a very shiny, very shiny gold. I don't know how that would look on my skin. I don't usually like to wear golds, so this might be something I hand off to someone else, so I won't put my finger in it. But it is beautiful, and if you like gold highlight, this should be right up your alley. Y'all know that's kind of like a full size. Okay, so the next thing we have is from Acology, and we love Acology here. It has been one of the Ipsy and BoxyCharm, I think, products. It's something I like to use. And you know, I like kind of getting the mini samples in some things, like lip products and mascaras. 5 hours later, let's see what it is. It is just clear. Oh, it smells really fruity. I like that. It says, apply generously amount onto your lips throughout the day or over the lips before bed. It has that nice like taste to it. Well, you know, smell that you taste. It has that really nice smell to it that makes you think you're tasting something. The next thing we have is from Ren Clean Skincare. It's Radiant Glow and Protect Serum. So this is the world's first tube and reclosable break-off nozzle made from recyclable aluminum. You can use this AM and PM, gently press with fingertips onto a cleansed face, massage in circular upward motion until fully absorbed. If using in the AM, please follow up with an SPF. And you should not store it in direct sunlight. Oh my God. Okay. Do not press on this at all, people. It just went all over my brand new pants fit. Ugh. Be careful opening it. And then you just stick it in there, I guess. It makes your skin soft, though. I can say that much for it. Okay. So I'm forewarning you. Be careful with the Ren product. Do not shoot it all over you like I just did. The next thing we have is from Verbify. It's an eye cream. I'm not going to open it, but there it is. I'm sure it's amazing. And then we have an eye palette. It says Lucky Chick Daydreams. Oh, okay. So it's eyeshadow palette by Lucky Chick. And it's called Daydreams. Oh, I love the packaging. It's pretty and pink. Oh, look how cute these colors are. I love how tiny it is. I just have to do it. I just have to. Look at that glitter. Look how beautiful that goes on. I'm interested in this shade. That is so pretty. Oh man, look at that color. So pretty. It's like unicorn purple glittery. It's beautiful. Okay, so we have a variety of skincare and makeup this month in our Ipsy bag, and how could we even ask for a more perfect setup? We've got eyes taken care of. We've got skin glow taken care of. We have lips taken care of. And we have our highlighter taken care of. That is this month's Ipsy bag. Go sign up right now. It's $14 a month. And it can be yours. Happy New Year, beauties, and from my house to your house, remember that you are beautiful and loved.